In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging on this Samsung. Firstly, just open Devices settings and scroll down. Then access Battery and Device Care over here. After that, you need to choose Battery section. Scroll all the way down and tap on More Battery Settings. Then scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to fast charging to switch off or on this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!